Hello friend, welcome to the Travel World YouTube channel. This video discuss about why these 10 best headphones are ideal for airplane travel. So let's start my video. These 10 best headphones are ideal for airplane travel. Summary: LG Tune Style HBS SL5 retractable earbuds and multi-layer metal structure make for a convenient and immersive audio experience. Embanners Platen 2 Wagon friendly leather car cushion offer luxury and sustainability for a guilt-free audio journey. LG Tune Free T90 Dolby Neat tracking technology create a 360-degree audio environment for an ultimate headphone experience. Traveling on an airline is a wonderful feeling, but after the first few moments, most travelers get bored of the empty expanse of the sky on both sides of them. Some tourists opt for music to make the time go by faster, especially it taking on the longest flight in the world. Also cheap in to get a decent pair of headphones to accompany them on the flight. LG Tune Style HBS SL5 Bluetooth wireless stereo headset. Minimalist packing is for a flight means pressing down belongings, and headset is the preferred for minimal use while traveling with its retractable earbuds. Storage become hassle-free, eliminating its need to tangle cord. The headphones are designed with multi-layers metal construction, enhancing sound quality to delight a rich, immersive audio experience. These features make the LG Tune Style HPS SL5 a practical choice for travelers seeking convenience and superior sound performance in one stylish package. Product: LG Tune Style HBS SL5 Bluetooth wireless stereo headset. Best feature: retractable earbuds for less complication with storage and multi-layer metal for better sound quality even in loud airport terminals. Urbaners Platen 2 Bluetooth. Any traveler is the 21st century knows the important sustainability is, and this headsets give them the certainty they are doing the part. This headset earphones future can approach the design perfect listening to a download podcast while in a flight. Product: Urban earns a Platen 2 Bluetooth. Best feature: synthetic vision friendly leather makes up the air cushions, ensuring no animal were harmed in making this pair of headphones. LG Tune Free T90 Dolby Atmos are with Dolby head tracking, DM True wireless Bluetooth earbuds. There are many things travelers can do there at airport during the long layout, and catching up to music and high on the list. The Dolby head tracking technology create an eye experience. Product: LG Tune Free RT2090 Dolby Atmos are with Dolby head tracking, TM True wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Best feature: Dolby head tracking technology create a special soundscape even while moving around, standing in a line to border. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds. No one enjoy getting tangled the wire, and of this wireless earbuds cut the cord permanently. This earbuds feature world-class proprietary noise cancelling technology, delivering a in-flight environment. Product: Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds. Best feature: immersive audio and world-class proprietary noise cancelling technology, unavailable to any other brand. Urbaneers Juno. The Urbaneer Juno earbuds might the just what the travelers need to survive long haul flight in economy class with the convenience of wireless charging. These earbuds are always ready for action, eliminating the need for the need for cumbersome cables, the active noise cancelling feature further enhance the flight experience, immersing passengers in their entertainment while minimizing internal disturbance. Product Urbanier Junior. Best feature active noise cancelling for loud environment like airport and wireless charging to for ease of use. Jabra Elite at active. While the Jabra Elite 8 Active is a great option for working out, it's also excellent as a travel companion, dust-proof, waterproof, and sweat-proof. They ensure durability and reliability throughout the journey, no matter the condition, with the commitment to versatility and quality and convenience even during the most demanding activities or environmental challenge. Product Zebra Elite 8 Active. Best feature dust-proof, waterproof, and sweat-proof, designed for active movement like running from one gate to another to catch a flight. Boost Quick Comfort Headphones. More than one traveler has had an urge after a long flight with a headset over their ears, but that's because the headset was the Bose Quick Comfort, designed for extended use during a long flight. This headphone envelop passengers in a cocoon of pulse quieting the couple with going renewed the world-class sound ability simply to carry to cake. Best feature the fantastic pair of headphones demonstrating comfort for long period for use the world-class sound fidelity. Marshall Monitor ANC. As travelers take make life much easier to Marshall Monitor I-11 ANC is a good example, ultimate choice for connected and tranquil journey. Product Marshall Monitor IANC. Best feature active noise cancelling with built-in Google Assistant capabilities. Bose noise cancelling headphones 700. Bose has always pushed envelope regarding headphones technology. This pair the ideal choice for traveling heading to busy terminals. Product Bose noise cancelling headphones 700. Best feature world-class noise cancelling technology, 20 hours battery time, and voice control for ease of use. Marshall Manor 3. Earbuds were built and purchased yet immersive. The Marshall established with goals in pleasure. Product Marshall Manor 3. Best feature wireless earbuds with high friendly sound quality and touch sensitive buds for music control without complication. We hope you like the item we recommended and discussed the affiliate. The travel has affiliate and sponsored partnership, so we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।